The internet has revolutionized the way we shop. E-commerce platforms have exploded in popularity, empowering entrepreneurs to reach global audiences. Gone are the days of brick-and-mortar limitations. Today, anyone with an internet connection can launch a business. This ease of access has created fierce competition. Choosing the right platform is critical for success. Shopify is a giant in the e-commerce space. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for building, managing, and growing an online store. Shopify boasts over 4.4 million live websites using its platform, a testament to its popularity. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for beginners. Advanced features like customizable themes, app integrations, and robust analytics cater to experienced sellers. Shopify's App Store is a treasure trove of plugins and extensions. These add-ons can enhance your store's functionality from marketing automation to inventory management. Shopify also excels in customer support, offering 24/7 assistance via phone, email, and live chat. This level of support provides peace of mind for business owners navigating the complexities of e-commerce. Gelato takes a different approach to e-commerce. It specializes in print-on-demand products, allowing sellers to offer customized merchandise without holding inventory. This model eliminates the risks and costs associated with traditional manufacturing. Gelato connects users with a global network of printers and manufacturers. This ensures fast and affordable shipping to customers worldwide. Gelato integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. This allows sellers to leverage Gelato's print-on-demand capabilities within their existing stores. User reviews praise Gelato's high-quality products and reliable service. This positive feedback highlights Gelato's strong reputation within the print-on-demand industry. Shopify and Gelato are both powerful e-commerce platforms, but they cater to different needs. Shopify is a comprehensive solution for building a fully fledged online store. On the other hand, Gelato excels in print-on-demand, making it ideal for selling customized products. Choosing between them depends on your business model and goals. Shopify's strengths lie in its versatility and scalability. It's an excellent choice for businesses with a wide range of products or those anticipating rapid growth. Meanwhile, Gelato's strength lies in its simplicity and affordability. It's perfect for entrepreneurs new to e-commerce or those focused on print-on-demand products. Ultimately, the best platform for your business depends on your specific needs. Assess your product catalog, target audience, and budget. Consider factors like ease of use, scalability, and integration options. Research user reviews and compare pricing plans. Both Shopify and Gelato offer free trials, allowing you to test their platforms before committing. The world of e-commerce is full of opportunities. Whether you choose Shopify, Gelato, or another platform, the key is to take action. Start building your online empire today.